Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok message not sending. If you want to send message but face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your TikTok app. From here click on profile icon, then click on three lines, click on setting and privacy. From here you scroll down, then click on free up page, then click on clear, tap on clear, then tap on downloads clear, then click on clear, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and click on privacy, scroll down, then click on messaging, then click on again messaging, then select everyone, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your App Store and Play Store, then search for this TikTok app, and from here you make sure that update your TikTok app, and after update your TikTok app, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.